Hello, welcome to our Interactive Technology and Digital Learning final project demo. We have made a website about Taiwanese scientist Lin Shunlian Sung, and this is, a website about her biography, her timeline of what she's done in her life, her notable works. We have also added an AI chatbot and AI image generator just to add more interactivity to the website. So you can see here, this is the home screen. You can see on the left side is the navigation bar along with the credits. So I was the main website programmer and also the designer. Also, Grant and San have been really helpful in giving me resources, giving me information about her, especially since ChatGPT doesn't actually know who she is. So we had to manually train the AI just to give us the proper response that we want. They've been really helpful in that. They also designed the slides and stuff like that. So it's been a group project. Anyways, so this is the home screen. You can see here this is her name, also an image of her. You can see down here that this is a ChatGPT component where instead of normally when users type in a prompt, right? This one we want to limit the users because we want to have it give us a response of of who she is. But instead of us talking to ChatGPT, we made it seem like we're talking to her herself. So when the user presses a button here, it says, "Hello, can you tell me a little bit about yourself?" It sends a prompt straight to ChatGPT, and this gives us a predetermined response. So I have hard coded this response inside of the code. So no matter how many times you press this button, it will always give you the same answer. And also, we've made it seem like it's her that's talking. Down here is the navigation menu. We already have a navigation menu on the left, but just in case people for some reason don't notice the left one, just scroll down immediately. We have it down here. It works just as normal. If you press it, it goes back to notes. So, but for demo purposes, we're going to use the left side. So this is her biography. It gives us a summary. Also, her organizations that she's involved with, and also her professional skills. Next up is her timeline. So this timeline is an accordion list. So what that basically is that the user can press this button, right? And they can read about the year of what she's done in that year and also the image. But we don't want the user to, after they press all of these buttons, that the website would be super long, right? So what I did was if the user presses another button, then it collapses the top button. So instead of making it really long, we have made it collapsible, just adding more interactivity to this. Next up is her notable works. This is a more detailed explanation of the stuff that she's well known for. Her feminism bookstore is a real place, so we have added a hyperlink that sends you straight to Google Maps, the exact location of where she is. Okay. Next up is the AI chatbot. This is ChatGPT, so user can write whatever they want, and it sends a prompt to ChatGPT, and it gives us a response. So let's say the user wants to ask, "Give me information about the top 5 female Taiwanese scientists." You can see here that we have added a typing indicator just to make it seem like we're actually typing with ChatGPT, but in reality, what's going on behind the background is that it's sending off the prompt to ChatGPT and grabbing an answer from it. So yeah, here's the response. It works. You can ask it whatever you want and it will work. Next up is the AI image generator. You can see here the original image is the icon of Shunlin Sung, but you can write whatever you want into here. So you can see here that there is a loading bar on the bottom that I've set it to around 15 seconds just because I thought that that was around the amount of time that it would take to generate an image, and that's about it. So you can see here that it generated an image of a Taiwanese female scientist. You can write whatever you want in it and it will also work. Last but not least is the notes. So let's say you ask ChatGPT for a prompt. It gives you something you think, "Oh, that's interesting. Let me write down." So you can write down the note right here. So, she is cool. It works. You can write like, "She is very cool." It works 2 different notes. You can also edit the note. So she is super cool. That's fine. You can also delete both of them too. This isn't really relevant to our class, so our presentation has not really like covered the function of the nodes. However, I did cover it in the progress reports in the week before. Okay, so that is all for our project demo. I hope you enjoyed watching, and we'll continue with the presentation.